Hi students, welcome back to the new session of 2021-22. So this will be the first video of your GK, general knowledge, and what you are seeing at present is the front page of your GK textbook. It is EduCandle Knowledge Portal by Friends Publications. Okay, and I hope that you will be following this updated version of textbook. There can be some changes from old textbook, so please try to follow this one and try to watch the videos regularly and attend the class. And if you don't have a textbook, you please write answers of every chapter and on a notebook. So let us start the class. We are moving to the first chapter, Life at the Poles. So as we know, the earth is having two poles, north and south poles. What is the speciality of this area? Life is not possible. Completely we cannot say it is not possible, but it is very difficult. What is the reason for that? Because those areas are completely covered with snow. So but there are some animals which are living there on those areas, and they are adapted to live in such areas and in that living conditions. So we will see which are those animals. Some pictures are given here. Okay, so at the end of the page, a help list is given and answers I have marked there. So you can write. The first one is Arctic hare, second one is walrus, third one is narwhal, fourth one is Arctic tern, fifth one penguins, sixth one it is wandering albatross, seventh one musk ox, eighth one krill, ninth one elephant seal, and 10th one snowy owl. Okay, so for exam what will be asking, we will be giving the pictures of these animals, and with the help box you have to find out the names, like match the following can be asked. Hope it's clear for you. We are moving to the next chapter, next portion. Tick the correct answer from the options given below. Which bird has an average wingspan of 3.1 meter? The largest of bird. What it is? Wandering albatross. Answers are ticked there. You can see it. Which of these animals grow to almost 1 meter, that means 3 feet in length, and has a special venom that does not freeze at sub-zero temperature, below 0 degree? The Antarctic octopus is the answer. Which creature has distinctive rings of blue skin around its eyes? Because of these, it is also called blue-eyed shark. What is the answer? It is imperial shark. Which fearsome animal, also known as a killer whale, is a toothed whale and member of an oceanic dolphin family? What is the answer? The answer is orca. This creature is a pigeon-sized bird with white feathers and pink face. It is a scavenger and kleptoparasite. It is the only land bird native Antarctica that is not a penguin. What is the answer? Snowy sheathbill. Under that there is an information is given there. What is that? Skuas are seabirds that are found in many parts of the world. They are well known for being kleptoparasites. This means that they steal food from other birds. What is kleptoparasites? They steal food from other birds. Hope this chapter is also clear for you. And the second chapter, the unit 2, is dealing with an important topic, that is extinct and endangered animal. What is the meaning of extinct? Extinct means not existing today. Endangered means there are some not completely destroyed. That is called endangered. They are in danger. There are some animals or there are some plants which are in danger. They are not completely destroyed, but there are a number of. But extinct means they are completely out from the world. For example, we can say dinosaur is an extinct animal because we cannot find a dinosaur. Asiatic lion is an endangered animal because we can find Asiatic lion in some area of Asia, but it is less in number. That is what it is called, endangered and extinct species. So now there are some pictures are given here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 in columns, and help list is given there, and you can find the answers from the I have written the answers very clearly. 1, 2, 3. First one is eastern musk. Second one is addax. Third one giant otter. Fourth one dodo. Fifth one is pink-headed duck. Sixth one is Tasmanian tiger. Seventh one is brown spider monkey. 8th one red panda, and 9th one Japanese crane. So you can watch from the help list, and I have written the answers on side. Okay, we are moving to the next page, that is filling the blanks with the help of the help list, and some pictures and some description about the animals are given there. Animals are given there, and you can find out from the help list what animal it is. First one, it is smaller than its royal Bengal cousin, that is royal tiger. The dash is on the verge of extinction, which it is. What is on here? It is Malayan tiger. Next one is dash is sought after for its oil and meat, which is that it is bowhead whale. It is bowhead whale. Third one is dash is an 80 million year old animal species, which is that it is pangolin. It is pangolin. And next one, poaching and loss of. Poaching means hunting, is a type of hunting. Okay, hunting and loss of habitat has resulted in 4 out of 5 dash species being categorized as endangered. What is that? It is tapir. You see the animal, it is almost, the head is looking like the elephant head. Okay, so what is the name of the animal? It is tapir. And there is a note given there on the down part of the page. Western black rhinoceros was a subspecies of black rhinoceros and was declared extinct in 2011. What is the animal? Black rhinoceros has become extinct from the earth. It was there before 2011, but after 2011 we cannot find any more black rhinoceros. Once widespread in Saharan Africa, its numbers declined due to poaching, due to hunting. What happened? The number of black rhinoceros decreased. Now we cannot find any more black rhinoceros. It was mostly found in the Sub-Saharan, Sahara. You maybe might have heard about, no? Saharan Africa. Now the next chapter is spot the insect. Some insects pictures are given there, and it is a half cut word. Okay, it is a half cut word, and you have to find out the correct spelling and identify the insect. What are insect? And the small flies are known as insect. In simple word, and we can say small flies are known as insects. First one, it is cockroach. First one is cockroach. Second one, termite. Third one is butterfly. Fourth one, housefly. Fifth one, grasshopper. Sixth one, ant. And the spelling is very clear there. Okay. Then seventh one, praying mantis. Eighth one, beetles. ninth one dragonfly, and last one is mosquitoes. And there is a note given there, you read that too. The heaviest insect in the world is the Goliath beetle of Africa. Which is the heaviest insect? It is Goliath beetle of Africa. So now we are moving to the third unit. Here also some pictures and hints are given there. From these hints you can find out the answers. Okay, so I will just zoom the answers. We can find out from this. First answer is penguin, second one vulture, third one robin, fourth one osprey, then fifth one rhea, sixth one falcon, seventh one toucan, and eighth one flamingo. And there is a note also is given, an owl is able to turn its head more than 180 degree in either direction. Due to its ability, it can look directly backward. What is the speciality of an owl? It can turn its head 180 degree. You know what is 180 degree? That means it can even see the back side. I hope it is clear for you. I hope it is clear. We are concluding here. So rest chapters, and I will say the syllabus in the next video. And even you can ask your teacher who is taking online classes the syllabus about. Okay, hope it's clear. Thank you.